Welcome to my channel. I'm excited to showcase an AI tool that animates your old family photos to life. It's powerful and creates stunning visual effects. Currently, results of the tutorial is displaying on the screen for your reference. Let's dive into the tutorial and bring your cherished memories to life. Go to the MyHeritage website by clicking on the link which I haven't provided in the video description box. Once you haven't reached this website, please click on the Upload Photo button which I haven't highlighted on the blue circle. If you don't have any images, consider using Midjourney to create stunning ones. I have provided a video link in the description. After uploading your images, please wait for a few seconds for the results to display. Now that our video is ready, you can download it by clicking on the Download button. If you want to upload another photo, click on the Upload Another Photo option. That's all about today's tutorial. If you like my video, please consider like and subscribe to my channel for more AI-related contents. Thank you for watching. I see you in next video. Thank you and goodbye.